5 Best Tape Measures. Here is the product number 5. Doraemon Automatic Telescopic Tape Measure. Doll size, about 6 cm. Tape can be measured 100 cm and 40 feet. Description: super and lovely cartoon dolls too. In addition to the lovely appearance, more have a small function, can measure the length, super cute down doll's body, and use it every time you feel you want to hide the tape came out, can measure the length of the range of 0-100 cm. Here is the product number 4. Tapeline double-side steel measuring tape measure. Brand name, LAOA. DIY supplies, electrical. Model number, LA5630016, LA5650019, LA5675525. Material, ABS. Measurement range, 10 meters. Here is the product number 3. Mini tape measures with keychain plastic portable. Fashion and popular design, easy to carry. For small size measurement, comes with 1 adjustment function keys, retractable freely. Tape measure, steel measuring ruler, square shaped with keyring. Specification: material plastic plus steel. Color, green plus black. Measuring range, 1 meter. Size, 4x3. 7 cm LXW. Here is the product number 2. LAOA Japan Tai 3/5/7. 5/10 meter measuring tape. Brand name, LAOA. DIY supplies, woodworking. Material, steel. Model number, LA56. Measurement range, 10 meters. Comfortable, drop resistance, durable. Japan style steel measure tape. According to ergonomic design. Soft TPR rubber wrapped shell, beautiful and elegant. Here is the product number 1. 120-inch tape measure meter tape rule. A tape measure flexible and portable. Useful for measuring cloths or articles that are not straight lines or edges. A need for sewing, crafts or the construction of a scientific project. Measuring up to 120 inches. Having also scale centimeter on the reverse side that is up to 300 centimeters. Width, approximately 3/4 inch, 1.9 centimeters. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.